Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is a bow stitch knitting pattern, or sometimes it is called a butterfly stitch knitting pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is very easy knitting pattern, and it is also very easy for the absolute beginners also. It is 16 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 10 plus 5 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. 10 plus 5 and plus 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 17 stitches on my needle. 10 plus 5 extra stitch, 15 plus 2 S stitches, so total 17 stitches. So let's start the pattern. Friends, before starting the pattern, first of all we will prepare a base row here. Slip the edge stitch. After that knit all the stitches. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches from here to here. Friends, I have prepared a base row here. Now our pattern row will be started. So pattern row 1, wrong side, slip the edge stitch purlwise, then yarn in back and knit 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn in back and slip 5 stitches purlwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit 5 stitches, yarn in back and slip 5 stitches. So at the last I have 6 stitches, so knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, yarn in front and purl the edge stitch. Second row of the pattern, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that knit all the stitches in the second row. Third row, friends, third row will be same as of a row 1. Slip the edge stitch, then yarn in back and pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, yarn in back and slip 5 stitches purlwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit 5, yarn in back and slip 5. At the last I have 6 stitches, so knit 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. Fourth row, we will knit all the stitches in the fourth row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Fifth row, friends, fifth row will be same as of our row 1 and 3. So let's complete this row. Sixth row, we will knit all the stitches in the sixth row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Seventh row will be same as of our row 1, 3, 5. Eighth row, slip the edge stitch. After that knit 7 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Slip edge stitch, then knit 7 stitches. Friends, now here we will insert a needle under these 4 strands. 1 2 3 and 4, like this. We will insert a needle like this, and now knit 1 stitch and bring a needle like this. So our bow is formed like this. After that knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Pattern is knit 7 stitches, then knit 1 stitch under these 4 strands, then knit 2 stitches. At the last I have 6 stitches, so knit the last 6 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Friends, our half pattern is ready like this. Now we will form a pattern, this one. Ninth row, slip the edge stitch. After that yarn in back, then yarn in back and slip 5 stitches purlwise. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Slip 5 stitches, then yarn in back and knit 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is yarn in back and slip 5 stitches, then knit 5 stitches. So at the last I have 6 stitches, yarn in back, slip 5 stitches purlwise. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yarn in front like this. Yarn in front and purl the edge stitch. 10th row, we will knit all the stitches in the 10th row. Slip the edge stitch, then knit all the stitches. So let's complete the 10th row by knit all the stitches. 11th row, slip the edge stitch, then yarn in back. Now friends, 11th row will be same as of our row 9. So yarn in back, slip 5 stitches purlwise. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then yarn in back and knit 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5, like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. At the last I have 6 stitches, so yarn in back and slip 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yarn in front and purl the edge stitch. 12th row, we will knit all the stitches in the 12th row. 13th row will be same as of our row 9 and 11. Row 14, we will knit all the stitches in the 14th row. 15th row will be same as of our row 9, 11 and 13. So let's complete this row. 16th row, slip the edge stitch. After that knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then knit this third stitch from the knit this stitch under these 4 strands. 1 2 3. Insert this needle, insert a needle under these 4 strands like this, and knit this third one. Knit this third stitch like this and bring a needle like this. After that knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After these our pattern will be starting we will make a half pattern here. So after this our main pattern will be start, and the pattern will be same as of the row 8. So knit 7 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Knit 7 stitches. Now insert a needle under these 4 strands, 1 2 3 and 4, and knit this stitch like this and bring a needle like this. So our bow is formed. After that knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. So in this way we will complete our 16th row. In starting I have made a half pattern here. After that main pattern is start from here, knit 7, then knit 1 stitch under these 4 strands, then knit 2. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. So friends, after the 16 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 16 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 16 rows, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting.